natin si Christopher Lau.
Our second runner-up who will receive 6,000 pesos in cash and a plaque of award. Gathering an average score of 92.50%. Wala iba kundi si the defending champion, Crisanta Pizon. We would like to invite the two of them to be on the spotlight. If in any event the champion cannot fulfill his or her responsibility being the champion of Music Laban 2025, the first runner will take over the seat as the champion. Ang pamangkin ko ay ang kampiyon sa taong ito. Ang matitira sa dalawang ito, immediately the first runner. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck. As the judges speaking ready, in giving their final verdict to our champion and champion for the Music Laban 2025 Battle of the Champion. Our champion, gathering around its score of 99.30%, Houston! Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat din po sa mga pundo for sponsoring this Music Laban 2025 in connection with the celebration of the 77th anniversary and the 20th Karagatan Festival. Our champion goes to Sinong Baliw, Mr. Kim Lawrence Lau. And the first